The class is changed.
What change? What change? What can you see?
The class is changed.
Yes. I am in different location. I have changed my class.
Sir, it's on
Yes?
first floor or second floor. We have to come to submit in this class.
What submit? I have changed the class means 8B class has not changed, beta. 8B is still there only. Only for my for taking class I have changed. Your 8B
Okay,
class
sir.
has not changed. It is there only, beta. Okay, just for taking my
Okay,
class
sir.
I have changed. That's it. Okay, so everyone, hello. So beta, let's start with a prayer. So everyone, you all have to do 2-minute prayer as always we do. Yesterday I was having and today I hope so that my network is okay because I have changed my location, and I hope that today I will not have any network issue. Okay, so now everyone, yes, join your hands, close your eyes and start your prayer. Everyone, you can start. Everyone, those who have joined, you can start your prayer. Yes beta, join your hands, close your eyes. Join your hands, close your eyes, don't sit simply. Those are joining right now. Yes. Okay, beta, done? Everyone,
Yes, sir.
is it done? Okay, so now everyone, how was your paper? How was your competition today? Puzzle
Sir,
Mania competition.
it was very easy and interesting.
It was very easy. Okay, very good. First time I am hearing.
Sir, it was very interesting.
It was very interesting. Okay. Beta, can you see the board properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now,
Sir, when will I
Let's
get
start.
marks?
beta, that competition results will be declared soon. Every information will be shared to you later in your group. Okay, don't worry. Okay. Okay, everyone.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now tell me, how many of you have watched yesterday's link?
Sir,
How
I had
many
watched.
of you have? Was it clear? Was it clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
It was clear, not it's clear. Okay, it was clear. Okay. So have you understood anything? Those who have watched, did you understand anything? Hello, those who have watched the link, Did you understand anything?
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, then explain me what you have understood. Yes, those students will tell me, those are saying that you have understood. You have to tell me what you have understood. Yes, beta, you can switch on your mic and you have to speak louder. You have to speak louder. Yes.
Sir, the
who has said yes?
parliament is in a main. Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. Continue. I can
The
hear you.
parliament is a main main office that government, all the government, and sir, I am saying by own because I had understand that that I am saying.
No problem. You can say by your own words what you have
Sir,
understood.
a parliament is in one type of a place there all peoples of government like PM, CM, another mantris and MLAs come and sit and they discuss about any one problem, and parliament is a part of our government. Part of our government, and it also very important because it help all the sir, what we can say to Janta?
People. Janta means
All the
public.
all the peoples of India that help any problem. Like, and sir, an example that a village have so many village have an electric and water problem, and all government like PM and all MLAs come at parliament and discuss about that, and they take out one of the idea and do it on that villages. Like, and sir, one idea is take out that there is two problems, water and electricity. At one work both will come. When we complete water problem, the electricity automatically come because it is connected to the water waves. Like, and that, sir.
Okay, means this much you have understood, no? Like,
yes, sir.
What is the parliament and how does it work? Which kind of people or representative? Okay, so we have understood yesterday. There are only few students who have seen the video. Why all of voice is cutting now? Still you have problem?
Yes, sir.
Still is there any network problem? It is cutting. Others, please switch off the mic. Wait a minute, beta. If I have changed my location, still network issue is there, means this is not fair. Okay.
Sir, we can't hear you.
Okay, now can you hear me?
Sir, is some of the problem.
Now can you hear me?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Clear, no? Okay, fine. So now let's continue. So yesterday we have seen about the people and the representatives. So once again I want to point out few like I want to share with you few points. Okay, once again, okay, those who have seen the video, and there might be some students who have not understood. So for
sir,
them,
in 2001 there is attack on parliament.
In 2000, yes, there was an attack in the parliament, but it was not that serious enough.
Yes, sir, it's not successful because all the terrorists are dead. And,
that was. It was not like that much problem. It did not create, because our Indian army or Indian people were so strong enough that it did not allow much like problem or like much problematic situation was not there. Okay.
Sir, they want to go on. Sir, parliament have how many gates? It's 12 or 11.
Hello.
Sir, parliament have so many gates to enter inside. It's counting. It's 12 or 11.
Probably I think it's 12. Okay, but let me confirm. Okay, I will confirm and tell you. Okay, beta.
Okay, sir.
Probably I think it is 12 because you know, most of the people or government representatives are there, those who work there, and they have like, now why do they keep like there are these many gates, you know, because you know, and everywhere there are like securities. You won't be allowed to go inside unless you take any
but it is only a government place and I can't go inside.
Yes, yes, only government officials.
Sir, I
Those
seen
who
from
are
outside that.
where it is located, does anyone know?
Sir, it is
Who will
in
tell
Delhi.
me?
Delhi.
New Delhi.
It is in Delhi.
No.
Yes, sir.
Delhi. Okay. So and it looks very beautiful. You know, it looks very beautiful from outside. But
Yes, sir.
and Parliament.
Sir, its building structure is. Sir, when the parliament is built, there is some of the problem of watering and underground digging, and they had completely. सर उन्होंने अदर कंट्री से थोड़ी सी हेल्प ली थी सर वो बनाने में.
Financial support, yes. For its construction work and for its facility, for its infrastructure facilities, some of the financial support
Sir, the
was
parliament
taken
design is
from
made by
outside
the
country.
India's best architecture.
Yes. Do you know who was that?
Sir, I don't know name, but I had learned that. Sir, I forgot the name of that.
Okay. So these things you can research. Okay, you can research and try to get more information. Okay, try to get more information so that will really help you out to know more. Okay, but after learning this chapter, you will come to know that what are its working or how does it work or why is it needed. This entire chapter is all about that only, why the parliament is needed. So up till now we have understood 2 points. What are they? Why should we need a parliament, or sorry, why should people decide? Why should people, or why are people deciding in the parliament? The first lecture you have understood, no? The first topic. Why should people decide in the parliament? That you understood? Okay, the first point. Okay. Now, first point understood everyone? Why should people decide?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that point?
Yes,
now
sir.
Second point also we have completed, that is people and the representatives. How the representatives are elected and which kind of people are working in the parliament. Okay. And how the government is formed. That also we have learned in this second point. Okay. So let me repeat this once again so that if there is any student those who have not understood, they can also understand. Okay, let me repeat this. Okay, people elect their representatives to the parliament. What do? They elect the representatives in the parliament. Okay, then one group from among these elected representatives forms the government. Means suppose a group, this is a group of people. They are actually electing a representative. Okay. They are electing a representative. Is it visible beta properly?
Yes, sir.
These are like a group of people, you can say. Okay, there are a lot of like group of people are there. Okay, who all together they decide and they elect a person. Okay, so among this group of people, okay, whoever are they? So among this, then one group from these. So there are lot many group of people, not only one. There are many group of people. So among that, one group of among these elect representatives and they form a government. Then ultimately, after selecting an representative, so among this group, one of them forms what? One of them, not yes, but among these groups, one group forms a what? Government. So among them, they elect a representative for that, and after that, among this group of people, one group, they form a government. Yes or no? Okay. Now, how is this parliament made? How is this parliament made? Parliament is made up of what? Made up of what? Representatives. Made up of all representatives. This one. Can you see? They are made up of representatives. Okay. Here they elect one representative, but later, after the government is made, the parliament is made up of what? The representatives. Okay. Together, and what do? They guide the Can you see? Parliament is made up of representatives and they guide the government. They run the government, we can say. Guide, or we can say run the government. Okay, they make plan. Okay. And it means, now what does it mean? It means that people through their chosen representatives form the government and control it. Means they choose, I told you, they choose among this group of people, they choose one government, and that government is controlled by this parliament. So whatever government says, or whatever government puts up, or any rules, okay, or like any act, whatever act, you know, like many acts are there that has been passed by the government. Okay, so under that act various rules are made. Okay, so this act, whatever has been passed, is actually coming from parliament. All these things come. Parliament makes a decision and it gives to the government, and then government, what does government do? Then government passes on all the information to us. So actually what is this? Parliament is the head. Parliament is a body. We have already learned this point. Do you remember? Parliament is known as a body of law. Body of what? Do you understand? It is the highest law making body of the country. Parliament is the highest law making body of the country. Please understand this. Very important point. Is it clear to you? What is parliament? If in one sentence, if I ask the question, what is the parliament? So in one sentence, what you can say? Parliament is the highest law making body of the country. Are you getting me what I am saying? Are you getting me what I am saying? Parliament is the highest. Once again I am saying, listen, parliament, if I ask, if the question is asked in one sentence, question is asked, answer in one sentence. See, if the question is coming, what is the parliament? So what you have to write down? Parliament is the highest law making body of the country. This is very much, keep in mind, very much important to know. Okay, yes. So this is how people and the representatives in the parliament work. Understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Shall I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next point. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, beta, I'm coming. Just give me a minute. Okay, wait a minute, okay, just let me rub this so that board can be clear. Now is it clear, board? Okay. Hello?
Sir, it is clear.
Now it is, I think the board is visible properly. The darker, board is dark now. Okay. Okay, now let that get dry for few seconds. Let's wait. Let it dry. Okay. Okay, so by that time, let me explain to you. Okay, now we are going to see the role of the parliament. What is the role, or what are the roles of the parliament? The first one is the Indian parliament. Now this is very important point. When did the Indian parliament came into existence? It came into existence in the year of 1947. At the you know which is that
15
year?
August 1947.
Yes, at the time of at the time of independence. Yes or no? August 15 is which day?
At the time of Independence Day, the government has announced that the parliament is one more type
One
of
of the parliament is one of the most law making body of the country is going to be the parliament. This way that is been announced. Okay, at the day, on the day of Independence Day, August 15, 1940.
So now government is make a new law in 2019 or 20 that all the villagers have connected one canal to all villagers from the main tank of that water from where come, and no one have water problem, sir.
So these are the services that is, or the facilities that is been provided by the government. Is it clear, everyone? Now we are going to see.
Yes, sir.
So what are we going to see? We are going to see the role, how the parliament, or what is the role of the parliament? What is the, like we can say, what is the main role? How does it play? Or how does it work? How does it work and which kind of people are there, that we have understood. Now what are the major roles? Like suppose when you act in a drama, you get a role. Yes or no? When you act in a drama or in a skit, you get a role. Yes or no? So here the same way, we are going to see the role of the parliament in the country. Okay, in our country. Okay, so the Indian parliament came into existence in 1947, August 15, 1947. It is the representative of the people and enjoys immense power. What does it do? It is a representative of the people. Means parliament means, we can say parliament is considered to be the representative. For whom? For the people. It is considered to be as a parliament. This one you need to understand. Parliament is the representative of the people.
Sir, it's light.
It's very light. Okay. Okay, it will be visible within few seconds. Okay. Okay, wait a minute.
Sir, your video is paused.
My video is paused. Hello. Hello. Now is it okay?
Sir, now it is okay.
It is okay, no, now?
It paused between. Yes, sir, it pause. When you take one step after that pause, one step after that pause. Sir, like that it is, and your voice is. Sir, now your voice is also cutting.
Hello, now is it okay? Hello students, now is it okay? Students, please reply.
Yes, sir, your voice is coming. Yes, sir, your voice is coming.
Voice nahi, I am asking about video.
Sir, video is not, sir, we cannot see video. Yes,
video
sir.
Wait a minute. I have switched off the camera and switched on. Still it is not visible. Now tell beta.
Yes, sir, it visible. Yes, sir, now it is visible.
Beta, everyone is understanding now or simply saying yes, yes, yes? समझ में आ रहा है?
हाँ सर.
हाँ, बाद में मैं पूछूंगा. I will ask in between. At that time, don't say I don't know. तो इसका मतलब आपने झूठ बोला. Okay, that means you are saying simply. Okay, हाँ. So it is the representative of the people. Parliament is a representative of the people. I think it is now visible.
Sir, yes, sir, it is visible.
Yesterday it was visible. Okay, I think see, Parliament now Parliament is a representative of the people. Clear? Now next point. Elections to the Parliament are held in similar manner as they are for state legislature. Means the law body. Okay. Elections are held in the Parliament. What are held in the Parliament? Elections are held in the Parliament. For what purpose? In the way as the same for the state legislature. Legislature means for law making. Okay, for state law body. For state law body, okay, the elections are held in the Parliament. Now third point, the country is divided into several constituencies. Each of these constituencies elects one person to the Parliament. Now, do you know the meaning of constituencies? Constituencies or constituencies?
No, sir.
Okay, don't worry, I will tell you. No need to think like that. Okay. Constituents means to be a part of something. Okay. Okay, like constituencies or like your
So like an example that a company has two partners that are constitute.
Yes. They are the like you can say, no. Say for an example of representative. So you are a representative of the Parliament. That means you are a part of that. Yes or no? That is what constituent. So you are a constituent for the Parliament. Is it clear now? So that means that is what constituent. Now constituencies means more than one. Constituent and constituent. Do you understand? Okay.
Sir,
so
your
country
voice
is
is
divided
cutting.
into several constituencies. Means there are various parts. Okay. Is it okay? Now is it okay? Hello.
Yes, sir, it is okay.
Okay. Shall I continue?
Yes, sir, you can continue.
Okay. So what I was saying that our country, or what we can say, elections to the Parliament. Our country is divided into several constituencies. And there are different constituencies. It has different parts. Okay, means our country has different parts. Like state is there, district is there. Okay. Likewise, means there are then Gram Panchayat is there. There are various constituencies in our country. Yes or no? So each of these constituents elects one person to the Parliament. So each constituency has a one person, or one person is elected. Okay, like say for an example, say for a Gram Panchayat. So in Gram Panchayat there is one who is there, head, like Sarpanch. So Sarpanch is being elected by the people. Okay, then same way when we go into the state. So for Gujarat, like there is a minister, like who is that? Chief Minister. Okay, then slowly when we come into our country, so there is one person. Who is that? Prime Minister. Yes.
Sir, that Parliament attack on 2001, that person is sketch in 2019.
What are you saying,
its name is, sir, I am saying that in 2001 when the Parliament attack is trying to do, but it is not successful, and that main leader has catch in 2019.
He got caught. Yes or no? He got caught.
Yes, sir. The row has catch him in 2019.
Means he was caught in 2019.
Yes, sir. After 18 years, he is caught.
He got caught. Yes or no? He got caught after 18 years. So, good beta. So, this kind of information you have to get. Now you know. Abhi to Google hai. Okay, you can get lot of information. Now, if I give any work or any activity related to any of the chapter, you can get help from Google. Okay, or it's not like every time Google. You can even get, if you want to get some past information from your your descendants, like your parents, your grandparents, and your grandparents' parents are there. So if you want to get that information, वो तो Google में तो नहीं मिलेगा. Yes or no? That you can ask to your grandparents also. Yes or no? So these kind of activities which I give related to the chapter, so that you can just do a research and you have to find out. It's not like whatever you are learning in the chapter means उतना ही आपको करना है. Not like, you can do research, you can study lot of things. Okay, I will also help you out. I will also give you more ideas that how you can do it, what you have to do. Okay.
Sir, did you know that who has considered that Parliament is it is an important government part? Who has said this word?
What are you asking, beta?
Sir, I am asking that sir कि यह पार्लियामेंट आपने बोला कि एक पार्ट है अभी गवर्नमेंट का, तो सर किसने ये कंसीडर किया कि ये पार्ट है?
Means who has said that Parliament is the
yes,
main
sir, who has
body?
said that it is a part of
law making body? That you are asking? Hello?
Sir, I am asking that who has said that Parliament is a part of a government? Who has said that it is a part?
Okay, there is no any particular, there is not like any particular person. Everything is done by the people only, because you know people has the power. People has the power. A particular person has not said that, yeah, from today onwards we will have the Parliament, and Parliament is the strongest law-making body. As a particular person has not said. People themselves have elected, they have decided, and this is what the entire body of, or entire body structure of our law, or this is what the entire law making body is. Means by working, the representatives, the people, those who have stood before, those who have worked for the Parliament, they themselves have decided all together, those who are working, those who have worked for
Sir, it is not my question. My question is that who has made it means मतलब पार्लियामेंट ऐसा होना चाहिए और ऐसा मतलब किसने कहा था ऐसा कि पार्लियामेंट हो तो हमें ऐसा फायदा होता है और
Beta, especially, you know, a particular person has not said, that's what I am saying. A particular person has not said that from today onwards this is the Parliament, okay, or this is the main law making body. ऐसा किसी ने, means no one has said it by himself, he has not said. Did you understand what I am saying? Did you understand what I am saying? I understood your question. That's what I am saying. You are asking that any particular person who has said that, yes or no?
Sir, I am asking that मतलब ये मतलब जैसे कि हमें मुझे एक कार का शोरूम बनाना है, मतलब मुझे एक कार का शोरूम बना है और नई कार मुझे ऐसे बनानी है, तो एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन ने तो कहा होगा ना कि ऐसा मतलब ऐसा होता है और ऐसी मतलब ये जैसे कि ये हम होंडा की कंपनी ले ले और उसका जो मेन लीडर है सर उसी ने कहा होगा कि हमें ऐसा करना चाहिए तभी हम ऐसा डेवलप होंगे और ऐसे। सर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि वो पर्सन कौन था ये
हाँ, I understood that. Beta, you asked the question that who is the person who has said that parliament is the law making body. ऐसा किसने बताया? ऐसा बोल रहे हो ना? That is what you are asking.
Yes,
no?
sir.
So beta, that's what I am saying. Any particular person has not said that. Okay, from today onwards, this is the parliament. This is the law making body. So you have to go according to the rules and regulations. ऐसा एक particular already, you know, in the constitution, Indian constitution में तो this is already mentioned that parliament is the law head of all law making body. It is going to be the main body of the law. Okay, constitution में it is already written and people has to follow that. Any particular person has not said, but who has framed that constitution, you know? Who is that? Doctor?
Yes, sir.
Who has framed this constitution, do you know?
Dr. Ambedkar. Dr. Ambedkar.
Yes.
B.R. Ambedkar.
Bhimrao Ambedkar. So beta, any particular person has not said that. Okay, by this is the parliament. So this would be the body of law. This would be the law making body of our country. ऐसा किसी ने, no one has said that. Did you understand? Who asked me this question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ऐसा किसी ने, हाँ, any one particular person has not said that. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
They are all by means like the representatives, the workers. Okay, representatives who are working in the parliament. The parliament was not like somebody has said that you make this parliament. Not like that. It is all made. It is all made by them because you know laws, various laws वहाँ से decide किया जाता है. Means various laws were made according to, from there only the law started. Then from there only government was also formed. So means everyone has, the people those who are working as the representatives in the parliament, they made this decision that parliament is going to be the head of all the law making, okay, body, and among that, from there only the government will be formed. And like, see, this is parliament. Okay, are you getting me what I am saying? Suppose this is parliament and from there only government is formed and then government to the people. Then from government to the people or public. Did you get me what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Parliament, government, and then it passes on to the third, it passes on to the people or public or the public of our country. This you need to understand. Parliament is the main. And I asked you one question in the last class. Did I ask you or I think in 8A I have asked. No problem, I will ask you. So this you have to tell me on Monday. Okay. This you have to do, you have to tell me, you have to find out and you have to tell me. Okay, can you see that page number, in page number 30, can you see figure of that parliament?
Yes, sir.
So you have to think about this image, what this image conveys, or what do you think that artist is trying to convey? Okay. No, better not now. Okay, I know that you might be knowing, but there are also several students who they should also think. No, so I will ask you all together on Monday. Okay, so everyone has to say this. It's not like only Tilak will say. Everyone will get chance, and I want everyone to say.
Okay, sir.
You have to say what this artist has conveyed. Actually, parliament में ऐसा नहीं. See, there you can see that people are standing. They are standing like this. Can you see that figure? They are standing like this, holding that top portion of the parliament. Okay. So actually, parliament में ऐसा नहीं है that people are standing like that. वहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है. But it was just an artist drew like that way. So what actually as an imagination he has drawn that like that way, but actually what does he convey to say? वो figure आपको क्या बताना चाह रहा है? Okay,
Sir,
what
I
is it
know.
conveying to say? No beta, don't say it now. If you will say now, then no one will think. फिर सबको पता चल जाएगा कि ऐसा है. Let everyone think. Okay, I know you can do it, but let others also think. No, they also should get chance. Okay, don't worry, I will ask you also. But on Monday, I want this answer from everyone. Everyone would think and everyone should tell me this answer. You should imagine that what is this picture conveying to say. वो ठीक से वो image, you have to see this image properly and then you have to tell me. Clear? Everyone will say, this
Yes,
is a
sir.
homework for you. This is an homework for you. You should think about this. Okay. So beta, did you understand? I hope that you understand.
Yes,
Actually
sir,
my
understand.
got switched off. So we will let me switch off the fan. Now am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are.
Okay, okay. Wait a minute. Let me speaker. Yes, yes. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
you
sir.
are.
Okay. So, beta, I hope that you have understood today's lecture. Okay. Is there anybody who has got any doubt?
No, sir, no.
Pakka?
Yes, sir, 100% sure.
Okay. Then very good. Okay. Harshraj, what are you writing, beta? No air. Air. I think so. You.
Sir, he's trying to write no, sir.
No, sir. Okay.
Yes,
You
sir.
write no air. Okay. By mistake. Okay, no sir, okay, no problem. Okay, no problem, I understood. It was typing mistake. Okay. So beta, I hope that, but there are still, it has got many points. This topic is very important. It has got many points for us to discuss, and this we can discuss on our next class. I hope that everyone has understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, beta, fine. So, what is your homework? First of all, you have to say that right now I gave you one homework. So, no, that you have to do. And next homework is you have to read the next 2 pages, not 2 pages. You can make it like page number 35, page number 36, and page number 37. Can you see? Up till here you have to read. Can you see this? Page number 37, up till here you have to read. Everyone will read it, what you have to do, and especially go through this table. This is very important. These are the results of 8 Lok Sabha elections. Okay, this you have to go through this. Okay, so that you will understand what this table is for. Okay, just go through it, and still if you got any doubt, don't hesitate to ask me. In the next class, I will help you out. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now please don't go. I have to take your attendance. So when I call the name, you have to say yes or no.
Sir.
Make it fast, or let
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Short. Yes, beta.
Sir, can you send recordings of yesterday and today's class?
Sure, I will send it. But yesterday's class I will send you as YouTube because FCC link won't be active, but no problem, let me try. Okay. But today's you will get it, no problem, don't worry. Okay. Okay. Hello. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay, beta. So see you all.
Yes, sir.
See you all. Do your homework.
Bye.
Study well. And
Bye,
enjoy
sir.
your weekend
Sir,
also.
attendance.
I have taken screenshot. Okay. Okay. Enjoy your weekend and see you on Monday. Bye bye. Take care.